Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So this is just a random weekend we will be spending here in BGC. And nag-try kami ng bestie ko na si April ng isang budget-friendly hotel here for a quick staycation. And we are here at Hotel 101 Fort. So ayun, I will do a quick room tour para makita nyo kung ano yung amenities or features ng kwarto dito. So guys, let's do a quick room tour. Ayan, nag-book lang kami ng basic room nila. May isang queen bed and single bed. And ang laki ng TV nila, ang bongga. Merong microwave. May ano rito, parang mini kitchenette ba to? May sink. And then merong coffee amenities. And meron ditong parang small desk where you can work. And meron din silang phone. And, ayan ang view natin, SM Aura, super katapat lang. Diba? Ang bongga ng location na itong hotel na to. And here's the bathroom guys. Merong shower heater. And of course, merong bidet. Merong hair dryer. And ayan, meron ding basic toiletries. Ayan, perfect. So guys, we are here at Shangri-La Fort and dun dapat kami sa bake house. Kaso walang seats. So maghanap na lang kami ng cafe somewhere na makakatambay kami ni April and ni Mama Olan. So ayun guys, masarap naman yung coffee sa Angkan. Kaso ang aga nila magsara today, 5 PM. Hello guys, so ayun nakapag-bake house kami kahit saglit lang kasi ang aga ng closing time nila 8 PM and now babalik lang kami sa hotel para magpahinga and then rarampa ulit tayo later. guys, so we are currently here at SM Aura and magla-lunch lang kami ni April sa Jato Jack. We wanted some Thai dish for today. So ayun, dito kami bumagsak. And update ko kayo later kung masarap ba yung food nila. So guys, ayun na nga, average lang yung food sa Jato Jack. Not bad if you're craving Thai dishes. So ayun, pwede na. And yung price is sakto lang. So ayun, we are back in Shangri-La, the Fort. And magka-coffee lang kami ni April here. And yun, maybe we'll call it a day after that. Or let's see kung may magagawa pa tayo until tonight. Work from cafe ako today. And of course, samahan niyo ako. So guys, ayun, maghanap muna ako ng spot for a quick lunch. Then, tsaka tayo mag-cafe. So, tara. So guys, it's almost 8 PM na and tinapos ko na yung pagpapanggap ko dun sa bake house. So ayun, maghanap tayo ng place where I can get takeaway for dinner. So ayun, mag-ikot muna tayo here around BGC area pa rin. So guys, we are back in the room and ayun, nakapag-take out lang ako sa KFC ng dinner. And nakapag-ikot pa ako sa SM Dev Store. Nabudol pa tayo ng isang shirt sa Smith. So ayun, papakita ko sa inyo. Ang cute niya. Nakabili ako ng isang black na polo. So ayun, feeling ko magagamit ko siya whether I'm in an island like Boracay or kahit nasa city ako. Maganda yung ano niya, yung print. Very cutesy lang, ganun. Hello guys, so it's another day para mag-work here sa cafe in BGC. And ayun, nag-week lunch lang tayo dun sa food district. And now, samahan nyo ako, mag-work na ulit tayo. Hello again guys, so we are back in the room na dito sa Hotel 101 after ng quick dinner ko sa Zarks. And ayun, dito ko na rin tatapusin yung work ko. And by the way, inabot ako ng sobrang lakas na ulan. Pagbaba ko ng Grab, grabe, parang unos talaga siya. So walang silbi, kahit nakapayong ako, basang-basa ako pagdating ko dito sa room. So ayun, mag-good night na rin ako sa inyo guys and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!